Welcome to all of you to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will tell you about how much YouTube pays you on your videos and how much YouTube keeps and how much YouTube gives you the amount that YouTube gets from advertisers on your videos. So let us start video. Basically, YouTube pays you according to the views on your video. After completing 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers in the last 365 days, or 90 million views on YouTube Shorts and 1,000 subscribers in the last 90 days. The most important thing is that from which country people watch your videos. The rate of payment by YouTube is different for different countries' viewers. Firstly, YouTube takes money from advertisers for those ads which run on your videos. YouTube then keeps 45% and gives you the remaining 55%. For example, when YouTube gets $100 from advertisers on your videos, then YouTube keeps $45 and gives you the remaining $55. And now I tell you about how much YouTube pays you on getting 1k views or 1000 views on your video. In YouTube words, it's called CPM, which stands for cost per thousand impressions, or the amount that YouTube gets from advertisers on 1000 views. And now I tell you about the top 10 countries with the highest CPM rate. On the top of the list is Norway. When 1000 people in Norway watch your video, then YouTube gets $43.15 from advertisers, and out of this amount YouTube keeps 45% and gives you the remaining 55%. In the same way, the CPM rate is $38.85 in Germany, $29.5 in Moldova, $24.5 in Algeria, $17 in South Korea, $18.18 in Sweden, $14.9 in Finland, $13.75 in UK, $13.5 in Canada, and $13 in USA. I hope you like this video about CPM, and finally don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Okay, bye.